Okay, so today, guys, we will learn about taxation, guys. Bab cukai. There is still one king. You know that person, what? Okay, guys. So basically, tax, right? When we talk about tax, got only two part. Oh yeah, sorry, I need to on the camera, or else it'll switch off. Uh, okay, so tax, right? Usually got two parts. First is theory, second calculation. Only two parts. Dua bahagian saja. Kena master theory, kena master calculation. So among all of you here, semua kat sini, which one you struggle, theory or calculation? Only two things, nothing else. Which one you struggle more, theory or calculation? I will tell you all which is the more serious case lah. Okay, some more? Lagi? Theory. Okay, I see most struggle theory. Some more, some more? I want to see the majority. Theory, ya, okay. So theory bukan masalah serious, no need to worry. Theory is not a major problem if you struggle. Calculation kalau kamu struggle itu major problem. Why I say that? Because calculation like to ask in paper 2. Okay. Soalan pengiran mereka suka sangat tanya pada kertas yang kedua kamu. Okay, tapi theory selalu masuk kertas 1. Bukan kata theory tak keluar kertas 2, tapi kebarangkalian dia keluar kertas 2 tu rendah. Okay, the chances of theory in text coming out in paper 2 is much lower, although it can come, but lesser mark also. Okay, mostly is calculation. And also a fun fact, guys, SPM 2021, right, this chapter came out kertas 2 bahagian A. Okay, dalam SPM 2021, ada soalan ni bahagian A. SPM 2022, oh my god, you can hear my voice in the night market. Wah, so dedicated Spread kat ramai orang kat situ lah tentang kelas saya. Bagi mereka dengar sikit tentang cukai. Cukai diguna di pasar malam, guys. This is a good example. Tax is also used in the night market. When you buy stuff, you must pay sales and service tax, right? SST. Kamu semua tahu kan yang tu, daily life situation. Okay, so SPM 2022, right, guys? Tax came out in section B, kertas 2, okay? Bahagian B, cukai ni. So, I don't know lah for you guys. I just trying to predict only. Maybe. Saya tak kata mesti akan keluar. Okay? I never force her to join. She only join. Secara rela join this one. Okay? So, I just predict for you guys lah. Maybe in your SPM, this tax, right, will come out in section C. Saya tak tahu. Mungkin keluar in kertas 2 bahagian C because of the trend. 2021 bahagian A, 2022 bahagian B, so maybe 2023 is bahagian C. I think lah. So just be prepared with this chapter. Just in case dalam SPM sebenar it come out in section C. You never know, right? Kalau keluar bahagian C, mereka akan combine insurance bab ni dengan consumer mathematics. Sorry, the form 3 one. Okay, yang bab form 3 tentang consumer, they can form one 15 mark question over there. So that is how they come up lah with the question. Okay, so never mind, we still look at this chapter first. Okay. So first, I think I will go to, you guys want to go to theory or calculation first? Semua kat sini. Kamu nak bincang theory dulu atau pengiraan dulu? I give the choice to you. Okay, theory ya. Never mind, I see others first. Sama-sama, nak tengok majority. You want theory first or calculation first? Okay, all like theory lah. Ini semua budak-budak sejarah, definitely. Okay guys, jangan marah kalau sekarang saya cakap sikit pasal sejarah. This one can relate with history one. So it's gonna be a bit boring, but hope you all can live through lah. Okay, slide ni sangat cantik saya dapat. So maybe it'll attract you lah somehow. Okay, so never mind. Okay, so what is taxation actually? Apa tu percukaian? Okay, so taxation is basically they will collect the money from an individual or a company. Yang ambil sejarah yang belajar dalam Malay boleh tengok yang BM punya lah. I explain in English. Okay. So it is used in the development of the country. Okay. Tax is used in the development of the country. Okay. So macam mana kerajaan tu dapat semua duit dari mana? How does the government actually get all the money to build all the infrastructure you see around us? Yeah, tax itu adalah number one source. Definitely the first punca income tu adalah tax. We don't realize but we are actually paying tax to the government. Okay, kita bayar cukai kepada mereka. Okay, so yalah kemudahan kesihatan semua yang ni lah akan tersedia bagi kita. Cuba bayangkan dunia tanpa cukai. Try to imagine if you don't pay tax to the government. How the government gonna get the money, guys? Macam mana kerajaan tu akan dapat wang? Dari mana? Pinjam dari negara lain ke? Bukan kan? The other country will not even give any money to Malaysia. Definitely not. Okay, so the government has to get its own money. Secara sendiri, the government has to get money. Okay, so and then all of this lah, this one nothing. Okay, so one of the important theory parts, guys, I'll advise you to pay attention to is the purpose of taxation actually. Tujuan percukaian. Suka tanya bahagian objektif. They like to ask. But never mind, we go through the rest. Guys, this one. This is the main body responsible for tax. Badan yang paling utama. Okay, LHDN. I think you all heard of this, right? LHDN, very common one. Okay, so it's responsible for the collection of tax in Malaysia, basically. Okay, whereas the state government will collect the tax from all these things lah, mining, forests, and then all the other things. Okay, guys. So hope you know this body lah. This is a very important body in our chapter, LHDN. Okay, one more is, sorry, this one English, if I'm not mistaken, is IRB. If not mistaken, Inland Revenue Board. Okay, in English, I think this is the term lah, not mistaken. LHDN tu lembaga hasil dalam negeri. So Inland Revenue Board, I think so lah. Okay, so if you want to write, bila nak tulis, walaupun kamu belajar dalam Inggris, if you learn in English, you can still write LHDN, no problem, because this is official language. Okay, but if you know, you write IRB lah, Inland Revenue Board. Okay, so both also accepted. So next one. This one, if anyone got question, you can stop me. You know, kalau nak tanya soalan pasal cukai, if you want to ask question, just put in the chat box only. No need to worry. Because I feel like theory, nothing much to share with you all lah, the concept or anything. Okay, this one, guys. 5-star question. Objective. Really like one. What is the purpose of tax? Make sure you guys know what is the purpose of tax. Okay, income of government. Okay, this one very normal lah, sumber pendapatan kerajaan. Okay, and then tax can also be used to carry out policy. When the government want to carry out policy, they need tax. Okay, and then it also is a measure to control the sales of goods and services. Okay, it controls the sales of goods and services, and then it also stabilizes the economy. Okay, so yeah lah. So one thing, guys, cuba bayangkan, try to imagine the rich people lah in this world. Do you think they're actually very rich? I want to ask you a question. Adakah orang yang famous celebrity semua kat dunia, are they actually really rich? No. Why? Why you say like that? There is one thing they have to commit. Very good, taxes. A lot of tax, guys. You only see that they earn so much, but you don't know how much they pay actually. Okay, kamu tak tahu berapa banyak mereka kena bayar balik. Okay, yalah, own business is a different case. I'm meaning for those who don't have that. Okay, just as a celebrity or influencer or anything lah. Okay, so yeah, this is the problem. That's why kalau it's better to be a moderate person lah in this sense. Okay, orang yang sederhana tu paling bagus. Tak dapat banyak, tak beri banyak pun. Okay, you don't get much income, you don't give a lot also. Just steady. Money buys happiness. I don't think so. I don't agree with that actually. Anyone else agree? Money buys happiness. I don't know. Maybe some people might have different perception, but I feel like no lah. I feel happiness can come from different form. Cause can buy food. Oh, so food is happiness lah. Okay, now I understand the relationship. Okay, okay. Only a necessity, yeah. Okay, so guys, remember this purpose of taxation. You never know. Sometimes they can even ask you in structure, maybe. Okay, soalan struktur pun boleh keluar. Okay, so next one, So next one is about what is the purpose of the what is the source of the income of government? Okay, macam mana kerajaan tu dapat pendapatan? The title also feel weird. I think this is tujuan lah, guys. Sorry. This one should be the purpose. The labeling is wrong. Okay, this one is to govern the country lah. Basically, tax is used to govern the country. And then it also finances the development project in the country. Okay, and then is to distribute the imbalance in the income in the country. As you all know, right, you got the B40, M40, all those golongan. So this is one of the purpose lah of tax. That's how the government can donate. Guys, you always see, right, the kerajaan always say they donate certain amount to B40, M40. How they get the money, guys? Macam mana dapat duit tu? Tax lah. From the tax only they can donate all the money. Okay, if not, how they want to donate the money? Okay, so it's from the tax actually. Okay, so next one, so this one not so important. This one you guys can read slowly. When it's important only I will say. This one got a few things lah. Cukai rokok, cukai arak, cukai perjudian. Okay, all this so got cukai lah basically. Okay, so any questions so far, guys? Apa-apa soalan tak? This one very theory one, so I don't think you all have much question lah. Sangat theory this one. Okay, next one. This one okay. You all know this is the purpose. Okay, kemana hasil cukai digunakan? Where will the source of tax be channeled to? Okay, pendidikan of course. To majukan your sekolah, to majukan the infrastructure in the sekolah, they need tax, what? And then hospital facility, kesihatan, of course, to get the medicine, to get the the tools to help for sick patient, and then charity, kebajikan also got, and then other things like development, safety, agriculture, and also infrastructure, all this stuff. Okay, kebajikan got important one, guys. Kebajikan, you all will learn about donation, right? Remember? When you're doing the calculation time, donation. Okay, this one, where do we actually use this, guys? Which part in the calculation kita kena ambil kira the donation? Bahagian mana pengiraan? Which part? When we are calculating the what thing? No, why deductible suddenly come, Tivan? This one taxation. Taxation, no deductible. Sorry, insurance, no, insurance got deductible, yeah. Pendapatan bercukai, betul. Okay, chargeable income, guys. We always see this word, right? He donates certain amount. Dia beri sumbangan amount tertentu. Okay, so this is where the donation come from lah. In the pendapatan bercukai. Later, you all will see the calculation, how to do it. Okay, so next one. Guys, anyone here pay tax? Can I know? Siapa-siapa kat sini bayar cukai tak? If the answer is yes, I scared already lah. Kalau jawapan kamu ya, saya memang risau. Oh, Andy, to who lah you pay tax to? To your parents, is it? Mungkin ibu bapa akan minta lah sikit. Sebab hari-hari hantar kamu ke sekolah. The parents will ask for money from you lah. Other than, okay, no one else. Andy, pay tax to your girlfriend, is it? Maybe got lah. Okay, so must bayar cukai lah, or else you know the consequences, guys. In the textbook, mereka dah bagi semua kesan or akibat that you will get if you don't pay tax. There'll be a lot of effect. Okay, you can see that lah, a lot of this thing. This one, guys, you will ask me, right? Must I memorize all this penalty, all the akta lah, all that? What do you think, guys? Should you memorize? Adakah kamu patut hafal? The denda, how much lah, how long lah, all those stuff must memorize lah. Yes or no? What you guys think? As a smart student, sebagai murid yang bijak, yes or no? Sama? Okay lah, the answer is no. I'm asking, should you memorize like all the rules, all that? Adakah how long you must stay in jail, all that? Kalau tidak bayar cukai. Okay, surely the answer is no lah, guys. It won't. If we come out also maybe objective one question only. Kalau keluar, so no need to worry one all that. Okay, you don't need to spend your time, waste your time memorizing all that. No point. Okay, now we come to the interesting part, guys. Kamu kena tahu jenis-jenis cukai. This one important. Okay, the type of tax. Okay, so income tax, road tax. This one is land tax, if not mistaken. Property tax. Cukai pintu is property tax. Okay, so guys, among all of these, which one is the most important? Do you all know? Yang mana sangat penting antara keempat? This one is the repetition. Keempat-empat ni. Yang mana paling penting? Can anyone tell me? Very good. Pendapatan. Guys, kertas 2, cukai pendapatan sangat hot. If they want to ask cukai in kertas 2, this one only will come out in SPM. Okay guys, sangat famous cukai pendapatan. Bukan kata yang 3 ni tak perlu belajar, you still have to learn, but objective mainly. Okay, the others very short only, the calculation sangat pendek. Maybe this one also you can focus on kertas 2 lah, cukai jalan. Okay, for motorcycle and car. Okay, cukai jalan pun boleh fokus untuk kertas 2. Tapi yang bawah 2 ni, not really lah, very short. This one is K1, kertas 1 sahaja. Okay guys, so hope you get my point lah for this one. So next one. So now we go and see in detail each of the cukai. Wait for a while. Okay, so cukai pendapatan. Okay, so a person must be working lah, or a syarikat will be dikenakan cukai. And then must register, then cukai pendapatan, all this lah. Okay, so this one nothing much lah guys. Okay, and then who collects it? LHDN lah, of course. Okay, always is LHDN one. Okay, so any question guys on income tax, like any doubt you have? Maybe you can tell me. Adakah kamu terfikir apa-apa tentang cukai pendapatan ni? Any question? Or all clear? Because this one is important one, so maybe you might have some question in your mind. All clear. Okay, so if all clear, I ask you guys one question. Higher the income. Never mind. Okay lah, ask lah. This is a good question. Guys, when will you get tax rebate of negative 400? Can anyone tell me? Anyone still remember the value? Bila kamu akan dapat rebate cukai negative 400? What is the income? Very good. Still remember, 35,000 below. Mas ingat guys, this one won't be told in the question. Soalan takkan bagi tahu rebate RM 400 akan diberikan, like that won't. Okay, you have to memorize. Okay, so it's 35,000. Find a way lah how to memorize this value. Okay, so yeah, this is about income tax. And then this one nothing much, no need to know. Can go next one. So this one membuat sendiri pengiraan cukai pendapatan. Even you guys can do the own kiraan lah. Usually this one is under PCB. Okay, potongan cukai bulanan. Okay, I think you guys know this lah. This is a famous question in calculation one. You will compare the PCB with the income. Okay, so it comes under this lah. Potongan cukai bulanan. Okay, I think you all familiar with this because it's a famous question. Okay, later we'll go to the calculation one, so no need to worry. So this one, nothing. The slide's very long one, but there, this is the one. Pembayaran cukai melalui PCB, potongan cukai bulanan. Okay, so always remember, guys, the value of PCB, they give maybe in the question like RM20. Remember, always times by 12, guys. Don't direct compare RM20 kepada cukai kamu, salah. Okay, don't compare the value given directly to your chargeable or income tax, salah already. You must always times by 12 because the value given is in month, satu bulan, 1 month only. So if you want to find 1 year, means you must times by 12. Okay, so don't forget that one. And then next thing, okay lah guys, denda. This one nothing much. This one if you want to memorize, I don't think anyone want to memorize this year. I don't think so. Siapa sudah hafal ni? If got people say yes, I really shock one, because I also never hafal this. Okay, good lah. At least you all normal people lah. Manusia biasa. I can confirm that. Okay, so next one. Okay, word tax. This one nice guys. Word tax. Okay, so this one you should know better lah based on your parents what they do. Ibu bapa kamu selalu lihat kan kena bayar yang ni. Okay, pengguna jalan raya memiliki kenderaan. Usually is kereta and motorcycle lah. So guys, if you don't want to dapat road tax, what should you do? If you don't want to pay road tax, apa yang kamu kena buat? If you still want to travel but don't want to pay road tax, how lah? Guna apa? But still you have to pay to the Grab guy. I mean cost free. Aeroplane still need cost, kena bayar what? Booking. What can you, very good. Use bicycle, betul. One more? Satu lagi? If you don't want to pay cukai jalan, correct, walk, simple. Jalan kaki, betul. Kamu boleh elakkan yang ni dah. You can avoid road tax. Simple as that. But I don't know whether anyone want to walk lah. Saya tak tahu kamu nak jalan ke guna basikal, saya tak tahu yang tu. Yeah, of course healthy lah, but convenience sake, I don't think so lah. If you see convenience, I think no lah. Definitely car and motorcycle lebih convenient, especially in Malaysia. Okay, kalau negara Eropah yang luar, then okay lah. Usually a lot of people cycle or walk, but Malaysia no. Okay, so okay, so this one wajib dilekatkan guys. Kalau kamu tak lekatkan juga akan disaman. Okay, if you don't have road tax shown on your car, that's a major disadvantage to you. Public transport. Depends lah. Is the free one lah. I think that is a good option as well. But guys, public transport still need to pay what? You still need to pay. I kena once for motor. Good for you lah. That's why you never learn tax chapter with me. You go and do this. Okay, so next one. Okay, so this one JPJ, all this. You see, sekiranya cukai jalan tidak dibayar. If you don't pay the road tax, your vehicle can be seized lah, basically. Pihak berkuasa boleh tarik balik kereta kamu. Okay, so this is an important thing also. And then this one the denda. Yang ni satu saja tau guys. So if you want to memorize can lah. For road tax got only one type of denda. Satu jenis hukuman sahaja. This one 2,000. Okay, under this akta. If you want to memorize lah, only one. Okay. So next one. Next one we talk about cukai pintu. Interesting guys. Guys, if you don't bayar, wait, this one is cukai pintu. Wait, let me see guys. Guys, if you don't bayar cukai, wait, that's not what cukai tanah. This one, no, not yet. Never mind. Dikenakan kepada semua pegangan atau harta. Okay, correct lah, rumah. Guys, if you don't bayar cukai pintu, what will happen? If you don't pay tax for your house, what will happen? I interested. No rumah, you come the beggar outside there. Betul, jadi pengemis kat tepi jalan tu. You'll come same level with the beggar. Tak kira berapa tinggi pangkat ke, darjat kamu ke, kamu awas sama dengan pengemis sahaja. Okay, don't matter how high you are in the work or anything, you still become a pengemis. So make sure you pay your tax for your house or else gone lah. Okay, so because the government provide land for you, sebab kerajaan bagi tanah kat kamu, kamu kena bayar balik lah kepada kerajaan. Don't tell me guys, God give you the land. I know some people say Tuhan je yang bagi tanah ni, bukan kerajaan Malaysia. Correct. But still it is owned by Malaysia. Okay. So you still need to pay the tax to Malaysia, not to God. Okay. So it's actually still under the kerajaan. Okay. So ya lah. So it actually depend how big your house is. Okay. Luas tanah kamu. Sebab kalau kamu tengok pengiraan nanti cukai pintu ni, salah satu faktor yang mempengaruhi jumlah yang kamu kena bayar adalah luas. One of the factor that affect how much tax you pay is your area of the house. Okay. So if you want to live in a larger house with larger area, means more tax you pay lah. Simple as that. Okay. Kalau rumah kamu kecil sahaja tanpa apa-apa kat luar, hanya rumah, maksudnya sangat rendah lah cukai itu. Okay, so you guys choose lah which type of house you want to live in. You want to live in a palace or you want to live in a hut. Simple as that lah. Okay, so yeah, it depends on your income actually in the end. Bergantung berapa kamu earn lah each year. Okay, and then these are the two tindakan if you don't bayar the cukai pintu. Okay, so yeah, this one no need lah to memorize guys, no point. Okay, so next one. Next one we talk about cukai tanah. Okay, this one is on the pemilik tanah pertanian. Don't get confused guys between cukai tanah and cukai pintu. Cukai tanah is not for the normal people like us. It's for pemilik tanah pertanian. Okay, owner of agricultural land. Okay, not for normal house like us. Okay, different So the pihak berkuasa is the pejabat tanah dan galian lah. Okay, so they will collect tax also for this. So yeah, no worries, no worries. We still going through theory only, so just chill. Now I know you all chill there, cause no calculation yet. This one only okay. Cukai jualan dan perkhidmatan. Guys, very relatable to your daily life. This one, SST ke GST? This one lah. This your SST or GST over here. Okay. So this one is all the barangan you buy lah basically. Okay guys. So even eat pun tak free. Of course lah. Because got tax what? Sometimes if you go to like the posh restaurant, right guys, yang mahal punya restaurant macam tu kan, sangat tinggi tax dia, kamu boleh nampak. Okay, in the bill you can check how much tax actually they charge. Can come sometimes up till 100 also. Tax only you know guys, cukai sahaja 100, bukan apa yang kamu order lagi dalam restoran tu. I got experience before, tax alone 100. Okay, if you go like the atas restaurant lah, then the tax can come up till 100. Okay, so yeah. Wow, I never eat food in, I know lah. I just telling for y'all to imagine. Sorry if I hurt anyone feeling. Not meant to hurt anyone's feeling. I just telling what I do. Okay, so I know. Not everyone reach here. Never mind. Okay, cukai jualan dan perkhidmatan. Next one. Okay, so this one nothing much lah. I think this one is the same thing also. Okay, hotel. And then takaful, card credit, all this got also. Cukai jualan dan perkhidmatan. Okay. So any question guys so far? After we go through all the cukai so far. Any question come up in your mind? If you have any question come up in your mind, you have doubts, straight away ask, Don't think whether I should ask, adakah saya perlu tanya soalan ni. Even if it's the stupidest question, still ask. Because it might not be stupid to the others. Only you think is stupid. Okay. So anything you have, just ask only. Okay, because this is a theory chapter, so maybe some of you might think of something. Okay, so this one, not really important also, I see. Okay, let me go down. Okay, calculation. Kita dah habis theory already. Okay, now, sekarang kita buat calculation. Okay, come. Guys, focus now. Now is important. Sekarang penting. All the calculation now. Okay, so first thing, chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the general formula to kira pendapatan bercukai, chargeable income? The general formula. Kamu tulis dalam perkataan saja. Bagi tahu saya, just write in words. Tak perlu type panjang-panjang, just short only. What is the formula? Yang ni paling asas kena tahu. Pendapatan tolak pelepasan tolak pengecualian. Yes, correct. Okay. So many things lah. Am I right in English? Okay. Income minus tax exemption minus tax relief. Okay. So these are all the things. Okay guys, one question. Zakat fitrah kena tolak kat sini ke tak? Do I have to minus zakat or fitrah over here? Yes or no? Very good. No, zakat or fitrah, always remember kat akhir saja tolak. Okay, always at the end only. So I put a mark over here lah, cause this is important. Put a cross. Okay, not over here. Later only. Okay, so these are the things that you need to consider basically in chargeable income. Okay, so lagi banyak sumbangan kamu beri, lebih rendah pendapatan bercukai kamu lah, macam tu. The more donation you give, the more lesser the tax you will be charged in the end. Okay, so this is the first thing. And then next thing you need to know is the table lah, basically. Guys, you all have the textbook, right, with you all. Maybe you can refer the table lah a bit, because I want to teach you all how to use the table, jadual cukai tu. Okay, because I don't think I have here, if I'm not, I don't think I put inside here. Okay guys, I just, kamu refer kat situ, okay? So I just take a random example lah. Okay, so let's say saya ada chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai saya itu ialah, saya bagi nombor sahajalah ke kamu. I don't know why this number come to my mind, but I just put lah. Okay, so you find the location of this number in the table. Kamu cari mana nombor ni dalam jadual. Okay, so can you all tell me what is the base tax cukai asas if you refer to your textbook? Bagi tahu saya nilai dia. Because this is how you must start your calculation lah, basically. Base tax equals to apa nilai dia? If the chargeable income is this one. I rasa semua sekarang tengok buku teks online. RM4600. Yes, betul. Okay, so you should read carefully. You will get RM4600. Okay, itu bukan sahaja cukai yang kamu kena bayar. This is not the only tax you must pay. There's another step you must do. Okay, tax on next balance. Okay, this is your second step in this chapter. Kamu kena kira jumlah cukai, baki cukai lah yang kamu kena beli. Do you know why guys there is a tax on the next balance? Can anyone explain to me? Mengapa ada yang ni? Mengapa kami tak boleh bayar cukai asas sahaja? Why we cannot just pay the base tax and that's it? Why? Can anyone give a reason lah? Mengapa? Try to think and see why. Bukan. Kamu lihat jadual tu teliti. Look at the Andy, mathematical reason Andy. Saya nak sebab secara matematik, bukan sebab yang macam ni. You all learn logical reasoning, right? Bagilah sebab secara logik sikit. Try to look at the table guys carefully. You can know why already. Tengok pada kolom yang tu, 888888 yang tu. See what actually is not counted. Do you all see the word on the first 70,000 guys? RM70,000 pertama. Do you see that or not, guys? Yes or no? Okay, nampak kan? So basically, hanya 70,000 akan dikenakan cukai. Okay, itu sebab kita kena ada yang ni. Sebab tengok wang saya, guys. Look at my money, income. Pendapatan saya lebih daripada 70,000 kan. Jadi baki dia juga kena dikenakan cukai lah. Kalau kita lihat secara logik. We have to charge tax fully on the income. Bukan pada 70,000 daripada pendapatan saja. Do you all understand nak, guys? The tax must cover fully the 88,888. Okay, not only the 70,000. Can you get it? This is the point I want to tell. Kalau kamu charge cukai hanya pada 70,000 tu tak adil lah. It is not fair. Okay, it means you pay less already. Kamu dah bayar kurang daripada yang sepatutnya dibayar. Okay guys, respond a bit. Can get it or not? Why Meijun put wow, like something out of the world, like saying like alien language or something. This is maths, guys. Come on. Okay, understand. Okay, so if you understand, can you tell me what is the balance that should be dikenakan cukai now from the table you see? Apa baki dia sekarang based on the 8888, and then you see 70,000. So what is the remainder? Yes, very good. So 188888. Ayo, why I choose this number lah? Susah nak sebut. Now I regretting why I choose this number. Okay, so how much is the tax, guys? Can you tell me? Apa cukai dia akan dikenakan kat sini based on the table? Very good, 21%. Okay, so you can count lah using your calculator. Okay, so kalau kamu kira, kamu akan dapat nilai 3966.48. Okay, you will get this value. So how to count the total tax you must pay, guys? Macam mana nak kira? Kamu tambah dua-dua ni lah sahaja, just plus both. Okay, so kamu akan dapat income tax. Income tax is equal to RM4600 plus with RM39. Final answer, guys. Can you count for me, please? 8566.48. Okay, correct. Okay, so should I minus 400 here, guys? Adakah saya perlu tolak 400 kat sini? Yes or no? No, because chargeable income tu dah jauh lebih banyak. Very high already. Okay, government takkan sangat pemurah dengan kamu semua, guys. The government won't be so kind with you. If you earn a lot, you pay a lot to me. This is how it works. Okay, kalau kamu dapat banyak duit, kamu kena bayar balik juga. Okay, what goes round comes round, something like that lah, the principle. Okay, so yeah, so this is the chapter lah. I mean, this is the calculation. Okay, so kalau ada zakat, if there is zakat payment here, then you have to minus over here. Okay, kamu kena tolak kat sini. Kalau kamu bayar zakat lah, if you pay zakat or fitrah, you minus over here. Okay, so yeah, this is basically all the thing you need to consider lah untuk bahagian yang ni. Okay, so now let us involve the PCB. Sekarang kita bincang pasal PCB. Okay, so let's say kalau saya guna lah nilai tadi, okay, 8566.48. Okay, this one is the income tax. I just use back the value. So let's say now, what name to give? Anyone of you guys volunteer for me to use your name? Anyone want me to use your name? Because I cannot think of name already. Saya tak boleh fikir nama apa nak letak. Liana. Kenapa Liana? Okay, namailah Liana. Sorry, Narisha. First come, first serve. Okay, so let's say Liana got PCB of RM. Let me think. What value? This one. 976. Okay, PCB dia macam ni nilai dia. Okay, so can I ask you guys, boleh tak saya direct compare dua-dua nilai ni, yes or no? Can I direct compare? Ya atau tidak? No, very good. Okay, so remember PCB is always per month. The question won't tell to you. Kamu kena faham. The meaning of PCB is potongan cukai bulanan. So this amount is bulanan. This one is tahunan. Okay, so it's not fair to compare it directly. So you must times by 12 lah. Okay, so you will get, let me see, 976 times 12. You will get 11712. Okay, so now you can see the relationship lah. Kamu boleh buat hubungan. I trying to find a number that is close to this, but I cannot get it lah. So that it confuse you all a bit. If I give a number very far away, you all can see directly, right? Kamu boleh nampak secara terus. I try to find a number that can hit close to it, but quite hard lah. I'll do whatever it takes to make the question difficult one so that it is not as easy as it seems. Okay, so now you can see that PCB is greater than the income tax. Okay guys, so can I ask you guys, sekarang kamu kena bagi tahulah kesimpulan pada saya. Adakah dia perlu bayar kepada IRB ataupun get refund? Will she get refund or have to pay some more? Yang ni ada orang selalu confused. You will confuse over here. So what is the action to take by the person? Pay more. Okay, others? Sama. Now it's 1-1. One say pay more, one say refund. Lagi? I need a winning party. Refund. Okay, Steven, you're gone. The answer is refund. Okay, so you will get refund. Okay, because there is excess tax payment already. Cukai yang dibayar tu dah berlebihan, so it's refund. So who refund? The IRB lah. Okay, don't confuse this one because sayang only you lose the mark over here. Okay, so you will write. Kamu kena tulis lah macam ni guys. So excess deduction of PCB. Sebab nama dia potongan cukai kan, so it's excess deduction of PCB lah, will be refunded. Okay, make sure you write the sentence exactly like this because this is fakta. So the answer scheme akan guna jawapan dalam buku teks, definitely. Will be refunded by IRB to taxpayers bank account. Okay, that one not enough. That one no need lah. You can stop over here. Full stop. Okay, so how to find the excess deduction guys? Macam mana nak cari potongan cukai berlebihan tu? What should I do? Let's say the question asks you to calculate that value. So what should I do? Very simple step only. Sangat mudah. PCB minus income tax. Very good. Okay. So now I want to come up with a K-bar question for you guys. This one I also feel like quite weird lah sebab tak pernah tengok dalam SPM pun. Never, it won't come, but I just trying to discuss this with you guys. Guys, try to think logically ya. Cuba fikir situasi ini. What happened Apa jadi? What will both parties do? Anyone can give an answer. Very good. Andy is correct. Nothing will happen. Bagus. So let's say if this question come in the SPM, you say nothing will happen. You get the mark. Tak ada apa-apa berlaku. Because IRB won't refund, you also no need to pay. Nothing happen lah. So macam tak ada apa-apa lah if both of these equal. Tapi sangat susah lah guys untuk bagi dua-dua ni equal. There is no such perfect situation in this world. Takkan jadi punya. Okay, usually there will always be a little amount of difference. Okay, sangat kecil pun masih akan ada. Okay, so yeah, this is just a K-bar question for y'all to think about it. Okay, so next one. Okay, we talk about joint tax assessment and separate tax assessment. Okay, this one a bit interesting. Okay, joint tax. Joint tax usually who do it, guys? What are the two parties over here? Apa parti yang terlibat kat sini for joint tax usually? What are the two parties, guys? Betul lah. Husband, wife. Husband plus wife. And then separate, maksudnya husband dan wife tu dah separate lah, basically. Pisah. No more husband and wife, no lah. They just want to do separately. Jangan ingat separately maksudnya husband tu tak tinggal dengan isteri dah. Guys, wrong ah. It's not when they say separate tax means the husband somewhere else, the wife somewhere else. Not like that. They're still together, but they choose to do it separately. Okay, don't think wrongly, yeah. So they will do separately the assessment. So which one is better, guys? Yang mana lebih menguntungkan? Which one is a better option usually? Join or separate? Very good, separate. So usually they'll ask the question, usually lah the answer should be separate. Tapi kamu kena buktikan dengan jawapan akhir lah. You have to show the working step to prove it. But usually they will make it in a way that separate is a better choice lah, of course. Okay, so basically over here you need to master how to count lah, all of these things. So I think later got questions so we can see. I won't discuss yet lah. So we move on to the road tax. Never mind, kita pergi lagi. Road tax. Road tax pun kamu kena kira lah. Guys, do you know what are the two rates that you see in road tax? Dua kadal. Can you tell me the name? This one also can come out in paper 2 if they want. Rates, Andy. Steven, you stuck in chapter 3 for how long lah? Asking you. You stay Peninsula and Sabah and Sarawak yang tu chapter 3. Tax is chapter 4, Steven. This one don't care where you live one. Tak kisah kamu kat mana pun. They don't have the fixed value. This one depend purely on the table. Yeah, tax where got fixed value? Tak ada. Yeah, you lost in the insurance already. Kada asas very good. Asas and progressive. Base rate and progressive rate, guys. Okay, these are the two rates that will be charged. Okay, asas or base. This one is progressive lah. I'm lost. Never mind. I give you an example, then you won't be lost already. I'll just give you to count one example. Road tax very easy to count one, guys. It's not like your insurance. Bukan macam bab tu. Okay, so let's say I talk about guys, which brand of car you like? I want to create a situation for you all. Jenama kereta apa kamu paling minat? Nissan ah. Oh my god. Koenigsegg. Oh, Taflin, Mercedes, huh? You are the future. I mean, the future owner of Mercedes company. I like Mercedes also. Okay. No, I like Mercedes. Looks like quite stylish to me lah. Okay, so I thought people would say Lambo is better. Okay, so let's say got the Mercedes-Benz car lah. Okay, so again guys, the amount you pay is definitely dependent on what? Cukai yang dibayar tu bergantung kepada apa dalam kereta ni. Is dependent on what in the car. Yeah, CC. Always refer to CC. Even in the insurance topic also is CC. Okay, both in the tax topic also is CC. Okay, bergantung kepada engine capacity. So guys, you can imagine, right, the engine capacity of a Merc. Kamu boleh bayangkan kereta Merc ni berapa tinggi capacity kan? Surely more tinggi lah than the other this thing. Slow as hell. Since when? You try, best way to judge guys, you put all different type of cars in a traffic light when stop. When it turn to green time, see which car go the furthest in the same amount of time. Mercedes will win. No, the engine power, you just push only, it will straight go there only. I know Myvi is the king of the road, but no challenge lah. Axia is better. But compared to Merc, I still think no. Merc will go faster. When the light turn from red to green, usually it's faster. Unless you take motorcycle lah, guys. Motorcycle tu traffic belum tukar hijau pun depa dah lintas dah. They already cross. Means faster than the MERS lah. Cause MERS won't be the traffic light, but motorcycle will be the traffic light. That one I'm sure. So cannot compare actually. Okay, so let's say I give you an example lah. Okay, I select one thing for you over here. Okay, so let's say the capacity is 1201 to 1400 cc. Okay, so this is the engine. Don't want lah, this one too easy for y'all. Sangat senang. Okay, let's say the engine capacity is 1801 to 2000. Mengapa kamu sedih bila saya kata sangat senang untuk kamu? Okay, so let's say the base rate RM 280. So I'm following the buku text one, guys, because it cannot change one. Okay, and then they say RM 050. Wait, exceeding 1800 cc. Okay, so now I give you the situation. So you help me count. This one I won't help you, guys. This one simple saja. Sangat senang nak kira. Let's say I got a let me think. 1969 cc car. What will be the total tax I have to pay? Cuba kira bagi saya. Jumlah cukai kena bayar for this type of car. Wouldn't it change after the tax increase in Malaysia? You mean for the recent budget or something, Andy? Andy, for SPM level, they will still stick to the exact thing in the textbook. Takkan berubah mengikut situasi. They have to follow 100% textbook. 364.5. Others lagi? Can you all try and count and see how much you guys get? This one, if we come out the exam, very untung lah, you guys. Because very easy to count this one. If still make mistake, I don't know what to say lah. See, got different answer already. Okay, so 364.5 win. Lucky you all correct, except for Umar, mungkin ada silap sikit lah. Okay, so basically how you count is the base rate plus the progressive rate. Okay, kedua-dua ni kena tambah. Just like the previous example I showed to you guys, you must remember that every single cc of the car used must be charged tax. Setiap cc tu kena dikenakan cukai. This is why we have the progressive rate. You multiply both answer. Wow. If like that means, I think the government going to rugi a lot kalau kamu dapat dua-dua. Tengok jawapan kamu jauh lebih rendah. Okay, so base rate was 280. And then the progressive rate, guys, how you count is actually kamu ambil cc kereta tu, the engine capacity, minus the condition. You can see over here, guys, in your textbook. Okay, can you see? 050 exceeding 1800 cc. Okay, so you must minus 1800 lah. Okay, and then you times with the 050. Okay, times 050. Then you count and see, you will get your answer lah. 364.5. Okay, guys. So can you get it? Can understand? Until here so far? We already ending the chapter already. 2 more texts, then habis already. This chapter is quite short actually, if you want to look at it. Okay, only the theory part make it sangat panjang, tapi pengiran tu sangat pendek. And the question that come out also will be very predictable one. You can already jangkakan what kind of question will come. Because nothing much they can ask. Okay? So those who take who plan to take econs or business in the future after SPM, this chapter all very useful to you guys. The knowledge will carry on. Okay, so anyone plan lah untuk economy, business, finance or anything, this chapter all very important lah. Money. Anyone like money here? This chapter all for you all lah. The people who got money symbol in the eyes one. Okay, so maybe you might pursue in finance lah, or econs or business or something like that. So this chapter all very important. Okay, so how to why I'm writing for you guys? I won't be that kind. Okay, guys, tell me the formula of property assessment tax. Bagi tahu saya rumus cukai pintu. Is it cukai pintu? Yeah, should be. Money speaks everything. True in certain ways. This one you must know the formula, guys. Kalau kamu tak tahu formula nanti tak boleh kira punya. But usually this kind of question will be very short one lah. Already forgotten because you guys never focus on this lah. That's why. Never mind, I tell you all. I know banyak tak fokus pada bahagian belakang ni. So basically, is the property assessment tax rate. Okay, you must have a rate lah to get the tax, right? Kamu kena ada sesuatu kadar dikenakan kepada sesuatu nilai. This is the basic concept. Okay, a rate imposed on a value. So times the annual value. Okay, guys, annual is a keyword, guys. Because, guys, when the question is simple, the question will try to trick you one. Maybe the question will ask, what is the tax to pay in half a year? You think the question very simple. Kamu tekan dua nilai saja? Jawapan. Actually wrong. This is annual tax. They want half year tax. So must divide by 2. All the small thing, they will test over here. Okay, see whether kamu baca soalan betul-betul ke tak. All this very important. Okay, so make sure you know that the formula that they give you is annual value one. Okay, the original formula asal dia. Okay, so this is about property assessment tax lah. Yang calculation tu I rasa kamu semua tak ada masalah lah. Just a basic calculation only. So next one is quit rent. Quit rent basically is on your house lah. Basically what you're living now. Okay, cukai terhadap tanah yang kamu tinggal sekarang. Okay, so the formula is quit rent rate per unit area. Maksudnya per meter kuasa 2 lah. And then times with the total land area. Okay, so one more thing they can maybe play with here is the unit lah. Mungkin mereka bagi dalam cm kuasa 2, tapi jawapan they give in meter kuasa 2. So you must be careful on the conversion. You need to know the conversion. Okay, maybe they can play with that. So guys, can you tell me 1 meter square is what is the value? Can anyone remind me? How many cm square? Kadang-kadang benda-benda basic ni some of y'all might forget. So what's the value? All this physics, right? Semua ni calon sains kan? Surely you all know. 100 sahaja, Nabila. Yes, 100 power 2. 100 tu juga kena kuasa 2 to make it equal. 1 meter 100 centimeter. 1 meter kuasa 2, 102 centimeter. 100 kuasa 2, centimeter kuasa 2. Okay, so it's equal. So if I ask you, 1 meter cube, how many cm cube? Nabila, answer? Ah, 100 cube lah. Okay, macam ni. Okay, so make sure you all know the conversion. Of course, cube you no need to use lah in land. Land don't have volume. What? Tanah tu ada luas sahaja, tak ada isi padu. But just to let you all understand only the concept. Okay, so next, last one is on the sales and service tax lah, basically SST. Okay, cukai terakhir. So this one I think shouldn't be much a problem also lah. Basically yang ni mereka akan bagi bill kat kamu. They will give you a restaurant bill paid by someone. Then they will tell the tax amount. Lepas tu kamu kira lah kat akhir jumlah dia berapa. Okay, let's say lah the bill is RM 100. Okay, tax given is 8%. Okay, so what is the final bill, guys? How much must I pay? jumlah yang kena bayar. This one, if anyone get wrong, I don't know what to say already. This one is the simplest question in the world. Kalau kamu semua ambil NMATS, kamu pasti gelak kat soalan ni. What's the answer, guys? Final bill. Huh? Steven, don't make me shock, huh? Wow. 92 ringgit. 92 ringgit. Okay. You're making the restaurant lose a lot of money, lah. Like this. 108, guys, the answer. Okay, so must plus 8, not minus 8. Okay. I read that as minus 8%. This is a dash. Sempang. Okay. Comma, whatever. Yeah, he mabuk already. Drink too much beer during Deepavali. That's why. Okay, so we complete the chapter already, guys. Are you all okay? Chapter 4, Sapu. We done already all the parts. So now we do exercise. Are you all okay or not? Can comment. This was my SPM question. I give to you guys here. Okay, semua okay? So guys, this one, let me see first. Let's check the question. Okay, am I too bad? Okay, enough. Don't talk all this now. Okay, so guys, anyone volunteer to answer this question for me? The whole question. I ask you only. We make things a bit fun now. Anyone volunteer? Because always I only talk. So feel like lonely a bit. I will tell you the value, Andy. No worries. I will later tell to all of you. Anyone volunteer to answer this for me? The own person must decide. If one person never decide, I call name, guys. Very sorry. I see the participant list and call name. This one is the SPM 2022 question, guys. Exactly. Call name, but not me. Okay, no one volunteer. I call name. Random only, guys. I use a fair system. Anyone's birthday this month? Siapa punya hari jadi bulan ni? Can you type me in the comment? Don't be scared, guys. You will not be the one going to answer. I will ask you to call another person. So whose birthday is this month? Oh, Andy's birthday. Really? Oh, Amilta. Let me see. Okay, Amilta, you call one person. Type one number. 1 to 10. Any number from 1 to 10. Then I will count. Or anyone lah. Anyone. You can type a number you like also, Andy, if you want. Oh, Amilta type already. 10. Okay, so let me count from her. I won't count myself, guys, definitely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Suling, are you here? Can help me answer this question together? I'll guide you. Don't worry. No need to worry. I'll guide you slowly. Are you here? Just type yes if you're here so that I can help you to this question. Luckily, no, this month my birthday. Suling, are you here? I scared you lag over there suddenly. No need to panic, guys. It's just me only. I won't do anything to you. I'm the most innocent person here. If she never answer, then I call the next person lah. Okay. Next person is Mejun. Your question. You kena today. Yeah, nah, very innocent. Yeah lah, I know. Never mind. I tell you the value first. Don't worry, because I know you cannot see. Okay, this one, the income is 77600. Okay, this is the income. And then they say the tax exemption, this one is this one is quite bad. I shouldn't write here. This one is 12600. Others also try to solve meanwhile, but I just want Mejun to answer only. So the individual amount relief is 9,000. And then I think this is 3360 if not mistaken. Okay. And then this value lifestyle is 2700. Okay. So now you can count, I think. Wait, let me see the question. Okay. Okay. Calculate the chargeable income. First question. Make sure you see the limit. They give you the limit here. If others you got the answer, you can share also. No worries. Kalau siapa dah dapat jawapan, can share also.
Bang, yang had 7,000 tu berapa bang?
Yang ni ke?
Ha,
Limit 7,000.
tahu yang sebelah dia tu, bang.
Oh, yang kat sini lah, 3360.
Ha, okey.
Okay, yeah, the answer is correct. 5140. Okay, guys, so all of you here should get 5140. Chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai kamu. So anyone got problem on this? The rest of you here counting this? Make sure when they say limit, this one is 2,500, you must minus 2,500. Okay, kamu kena tolak 2,500 sahaja. Don't go and minus 2,700. This common mistake. Okay, you must always look at the limit. Okay, limit tu penting. Okay, so if no question, I proceed to B. If you have question, you ask. So next one, okay, calculate the income tax. Kamu kena kira pendapatan bercukai kamu. Okay, so Mejun, should I refer to first column or second column? This one. For the value, yes, correct. Second column. Okay, so this one. So let me see anything else. Wait. I think you can count already lah, the income tax. Anything? Be careful got also the zakat amount here, 840. So then you can count already. This one is the actual SPM question, guys, that came out for me. So it's actually very typical question. Anna, I cannot see your face. Guys, can see my face. I on the camera actually for my side. Maybe you never pin my this thing. Can, right? Means you don't want to see my face lah, Navisha. In other words, I know already. You simply don't want to see. How much zakat? Zakat dia zakat 840. Okay, Mejung get correct. Very good. 97820, accurate. Okay, so that will be the answer, guys. For part B, you're supposed to get income tax 97820. Very good. Okay. So yeah, I can see the potential already for A here. Can see it sparkling already. So yeah. So anyone get problem on finding this? Other than those who answered, now only can see. No problem, so I proceed to part C. Okay, Mejun, back to you. So part C, again, very common question. Does Incheck Farhan need to make additional tax payment? Okay, wait, let me tell you the PCB. I also forget the value. PCB is RM 120. and also give explanation. This question I think came out in section B, guys, for mathematics. Yeah, section B, my time. Very untung we all actually this one come out. You know why, guys? Because SPM 2022, right? The plan and elevation topic never come out. Bab plan dan dongakan tu tak keluar. So instead of that chapter, I think they replace with this chapter. Usually plan dan dongakan will come out section B. I hate that chapter. I don't like. I cannot imagine. I'm not a person that can imagine 3D. So that's my weakness lah. 3D is difficult for me sometimes. Yeah, because 2022 tak keluar, maksudnya your year will keluar lah, most likely. So be prepared untuk 9 mark or 10 mark question for that. Hope so. Yeah, sure, why not? Guys, you all must feel free, in my class. No need to feel stressed or anything. Just feel free. Yeah, we santai only. So anyone get the answer? Part C1. Since you reminded just now, what I reminded? I forgot to tell. Oh, vegetarian today, I see. Today, oh yeah, Shasti, okay. Huh? Wow. No wonder you say 92, No wonder. Fui, your power lah, this guy. 92. And maths? Don't tell me 29, If you're 29, I baling this one to you. 461.8. Andy, what do you mean by 461.8? Oh, the deduction. Wait, excess deduction of PCB refunded by IRB. Yes, correct, Mejun. Okay, so correct. So yeah, let me count the value. I didn't count the how much is refund. Okay, yeah, 461.8. Okay, guys. So this one basically you just need to times 12 lah to know the exact value. RM1440. Oh my god, Andy, please tell me good news. I don't want to see. I'm so scared to see. I close my eye. Please be good. Because paper one is hard, I know. I know paper one is always hard. What is the result? Okay lah, not bad, what? Okay, what? Congrats. Well done. I sure paper two will be higher one. Yeah, that is already good out of 80. Very good. I think can see the paper two, let's say lah. Paper two, if you target maybe 90 or 80 lah, 80. 80 plus 57 over 180. Okay lah, A minus around there for ad maths. If you get 80, paper 2. But maths saya dapat B bang. Wah, bagus lah, Wiz. Tanya juga. Wah, everyone come here today, all the high achiever. Today is the high achiever ceremony that come to the class today. Everyone got improvement. Wow, very good lah, you guys. Okay. So basically this one is Mejun explained already lah. Okay, I think you told right, Andy. Yeah, solid A, good. And SPM sure A plus already. Okay, so this one IRB will refund the excess tax deduction. I know some people will say good news, some people will say bad news, but even if you fail, it's not a reason to stop what you're doing. Continue what you're doing. Okay, you must always remember SPM is the main goal, not the trials. Okay, so why? Paper 2 should be easy, what? Excess tax deduction. Okay, Mejun, thank you. You scored the full mark over here. Incheck, Falcon. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, good. At math score ka SPM, yeah. SPM paper 1 usually hard, but never mind lah. Okay, so I think this one is the same thing. Let me see. If exact same question, I won't discuss, guys, because it's the same thing repeat only. I want to see something that is new a bit. Chargeable income. You see, guys, everything usually is the same only. All the question type is the same one. Okay, let's try this, guys. Joint and separate tax assessment. So who want to volunteer answer this, guys? Who now? This table, complete the table for me. Anyone?
Anna, Tiran got
Yeah?
95, right? Ask Tiran to do lah, Anna.
Tivan, mathematics king over here. Come, answer. I want to see how good is your 92. Prove the word of the 92 to me.
Yes, ni sokong Tiran.
Prove the word 92. Uh, then how you calculate all this while? You calculate in the head, is it?
You can still use your calculator in your phone.
Use. No excuse. Okay, come. Wait, let me see. Okay, they asked to complete. I think you can see lah. Okay, so Tivan, first one, number one. Total income. Can you tell me what's the answer? No need to refer to that one yet. This one, guys, if you answer correct, a lot of mark, around 8 to 10 mark jumlah dia. This one is 55,000. Let me write for you. 55,000. Let me use a smaller this thing font. 55,000. Okay, tell me the total, Steven. 60,000. Okay, correct. Others also can answer. No worries, guys. You all also participate to help out Steven. Okay, everyone can answer here. No worries. Semua jawab. Okay, so next one, let's see. Number 2. Okay, so chargeable income. So again, based on this. So make sure you all can see the limit. If you cannot, I write out for you. This one, the limit is 2500. This one is 7,000. This one is 3,000. Okay, this value you guys can see ya. Semua boleh nampak tak yang ni? The one I underline. I hope you all can see lah. If cannot see, please tell me, So just tell your answer for number 2 if you
Anna,
have.
little bit blur. That's why I cannot see.
Okay, I write out. Wait, Okay, this one is 1,000 minus lah, of course. This one is minus 9,000. This one minus 2,500. This one minus 5,410. This one minus 3,000. Okay. Careful lah, guys. Make sure you see the limit. Limit is the one they will always want to trick you over here. Selalu mereka akan menyebabkan kamu terperangkap dalam soalan macam ni sebab had dia, the limit. So anyone get answer, just share for number 2.
Anna, mana hilang kita punya hero, Bats.
Steven, where? Where lah? Anyone can answer, if you get the answer. This one all only minus, nothing else. Just minus all the value. 340, yeah, betul. Okay, very good. Okay, you all get the correct answer. Means the limit you all okay lah, that part. Okay, so make sure you guys get this answer as 34090. Okay, next part, guys. Now it's time for you to look at your table. Okay, so what is the base tax? Number 3. This one no calculation, based on the table only. This one I think Steven can answer lah. If he bring the tax table around with him. This one number 3 really bonus question one. 600. 600 Are you sure? Let me check and see. Eh? Wow. How did I get this answer? Wait, guys. Let me see where I made mistake. I made mistake lah. Mei Jun wrong. Yeah, 150. I got scared already. I made mistake. Never mind. It's okay. Oh my god, I almost get heart attack already. Okay, so next one, part 4. It's okay. It's just one column above. That's why you made the mistake. Very close. This value very tricky, you know, guys. That's why the question actually catch you all. Sebab nilai dia sangat dekat to 35,000. Okay. So this one you all must count the tax on the next balance. Okay. So again, refer to your table to see the tax for this one. If you all feel stressed, I show you the therapy again, the panda. This one become your new friend already, accompany you all to SPM. Put like this so cannot see. You have to earn it. Okay, guys, I janji, one thing. Anyone here score A plus only, maths SPM, get the panda. You want or not? I challenge you all, A plus only. A also no, A plus. 1. Okay, so this is the motivation. A plus. Then I will give to you. A plus. So anyone get the answer or not? Number 4. Steven, where's your power? Number 4 answer. Anyone get the answer? Please share. Number 4. RM422.70. Yes, you all should get RM422.70. Then I'm going to follow the one. Yeah. I didn't say 9A plus. I say A plus for maths. Then you get this panda. Only maths. Okay. Because most people take maths only what here. So I put for maths. Okay, so next, tax rebate, guys. Can you tell me what's the value? This one? See your chargeable income. It is less than 35,000. So what's the rebate? If you get all A plus, then definitely the panda will go to you lah, because you are the best performer. Minus 400, yes. Zero Satsuki. Chargeable income lebih kurang dari 35,000. Rebate must minus 400. Izzati, kenapa kosong tiba-tiba? 35,000 dan lebih rendah. Must have minus 400 what? Rebate. Okay, tax rebate tu adalah 400 tu lah. Okay. Always I said just now, when the chargeable income is less. Okay, so for part 6, guys, can you all calculate and see what you all get? This one is quite long actually, but I hope you all can see. This one is the income tax payable. This one is for the joint tax assessment. Kamu kena kira untuk the cukai bergabung one. Mei-Jun, you say just now I say must get A plus only get the panda, you terus leave, You terus scared already. Oh no, I thought you really want the panda. Then suddenly I say you must get A plus, then we get the panda. Aiyo. I thought I heard one person's feeling here already. Okay, so 972.70. Betul ke? VI. Total mark, I think each number got 1 mark lah. So here got 6, 7, 8. 8. So 8 mark. Sorry, 10 mark, 10 mark. Total is 10 mark, guys. For this one, this column, guys, number 6. Sorry, the screen a bit sensitive. This one, I want this answer. Nine one one five. Yes, very good, correct. Okay, the answer you will get is 9115. So how you get the answer? Kamu kena tambah this one and this one. Then you will get the answer. Okay, 9115. Okay, so next for part VII, part number 7, what is your answer? What do you guys get? Part number 7. Anyone? Part number 7? This one over here. Wait, do you need any value up there? Let me check. Okay. You must use all this value. This one is the income tax payable, guys, for the separate tax assessment one. 527.70. EZT, kamu kena tolak yang ni. This one over here. Yes, May June, correct. 17270. Remember minus the 400, guys. Kena tolak dengan 400 tu. Okay, so you will get the answer 172.70. This one is 172.70. This one minus 400. Okay, and then for VIII, guys, can you count and see? This one you must count the total tax using separate tax assessment. So anyone get the answer? This one very simple only. The last answer. Yes. I never see the value. Wow, I really confident in you, Mei Jun. I never see the answer, so I say correct already to you. Correct, 983.10. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, so you just plus the two value only for this one. Tambah dua-dua saja, then you get the answer for total separate tax assessment. Okay, guys, so this is basically all the variants of the subjective question that can come. Yeah, calculator save you guys over here. Hey, sorry, what happened to here? Okay. So we just do a few objective lah, guys, before we say good night. Okay. Hey, sorry, got one more part here. Okay, so which one more suitable, guys? Join or separate? Based on the answer just now, yang mana lebih bagus? Yes, separate. Okay, remember, kita kena selalu separate. Okay, senang nak ingat. Always separate, must have the gap. Okay, so separate tax assessment. Okay, so why? Must give reason, I think, guys. Walaupun satu markah, I will encourage you to give the reason. So can you tell why? Reason very simple, guys. You already got in the previous question. Just to be safe lah. Just give a reason. Ya, bayar cukai lebih rendah. Senang macam tu. Okay, based on the table just now lah. So you can you see, guys? One question you get 11 mark. This one total. Besar tahu yang tu 11 mark. 11 mark can differentiate between an A and an A minus. Okay, because each grade in maths usually total you can lose is 14 to 15 mark. Okay, like example 126, if you get A plus in maths. Then so on lah. You go below like that. Okay, so make sure you all score lah this kind of full mark. Okay, guys. So this is the subjective. So got few objective here. We just try a bit lah. Okay, before we say goodbye. So this one, anyone, you all can try lah. Open to the floor to answer this question. Everyone can try. This one is on the engine capacity one. I don't want. Why you don't want? Study more. What do you mean study more? This one also studying, what? Yeah lah, you're getting the knowledge lah. So what you guys get for this question? Motorcycle 210cc, car is 1900cc. You must plus both ah. Kena tambah nilai cukai bagi dua-dua. If anyone don't know how to do, please tell lah. Kalau lupa dah macam mana nak kira, just tell I forgot already. But I think this one should be simple lah. So answer guys, where's the answer? Ah, okay, finally, D. Okay, you should get D guys for this one. Yeah, correct. Okay, so one put question mark, one never put question mark. But both also correct lah. But try to be confident next time. Your answer is correct. Okay, so this how you do. You will get donkey as the answer. Okay, so any question here? I don't think so lah. This one's quite easy. Refer to the table only as I explained. Okay, make sure you do this step lah for the progressive rate. Okay, you must count the progressive rate as well for the car total. Okay, so next one, a few more then we chow lah. Just we try some this thing lah. Fakta question. Okay, so fast food restaurant guys, what type of tax? Guys, you can see the option D ah. Izzati tiba-tiba kata D. I belum scroll pun dah kata D. Wah, can see the option. Oh, yang BM lah. Oh, you print out. Wow. Bagus lah. Okay, so donkey is the answer. Sales and service tax. Fast food, definitely this one lah guys. Okay, so yeah, cukai jualan dan perkhidmatan. This one came out in SPM also, I think. This is an SPM objective question. Okay, I forgot which SPM already. Okay, this one also SPM. So can you all try to count for this property assessment tax? This one they complicate it a bit lah by telling this one 1.5 kali lebih. So it's not that straightforward. I see the remainder of you over here still stay and doing. I really appreciate it actually. Means I know you guys are the ones really committed lah to learn actually. Like some of the chapter that you're not good at. Okay, some say C. Okay, some more. Others also try. Okay, lain juga cuba. Izzati sekarang ubah dah. Okay, majority say D. Okay, guys, the answer will be D. Okay, so you should get 523.80. Okay, so anyone just now say C, the working is like this actually. You all can see. Wait, okay, like this. Okay, so basically, they tell you that the annual value for town S is this one, nilai tahunan. Lepas tu kada is 6%. So I can then tell that 1.5 kali maksudnya kena darab lah dengan 6% guys untuk kada bandar T. For town T is 6% times 1.5 means 9% the rate. Then the annual value they said for both town is the same, sama sahaja. So then I just count like this lah, 52380. Can you understand guys? Okay, yeah. For just now, confused a bit. Okay, yeah. So next one. I think we last few one already. Let me see which one nice one for you. Okay, we try one fakta question, guys. Since just now we calculate a lot already, I think your calculation good already based on the structure. So we try fakta a bit because we didn't do fakta so far. Which is chargeable income? Let me see your answer. Your answer is D. Yes, correct. Okay, answer is D, guys. Royalty is not included under chargeable income. Okay, so 234 is the answer, donkey. Okay, so this one is good. Let me see any other fakta question. Okay, got one more here. I just do fakta. Don't want to beban you all so much. Okay, this one. Number 15. What's your answer? Read carefully, guys. Don't think always the answer will be D, because everything, it doesn't work like that. Mungkin kamu akan terfikir semua betul senang lah macam tu. Sebab kamu malas baca pernyataan kan sometimes. I know you all hate sejarah one. Anyone like sejarah here? Siapa suka subjek sejarah? See, no one respond. Means no one like. 50-50, okay. So answer guys, what you get for this one? Huh? Walao Riz. 100 Oh my god. Kamu ni memang case telan buku. This one TikTok always like the put. Dia memang telan buku ke sejarah ni? Kalau matematik 100, mereka akan cakap telan calculator. Guys, what's the answer? You all forget. Answer please. Guys, focus on the question, please. Okay, correct. A is the answer. Guys, can you explain to me why number 4 is wrong? Mengapa 4 tu salah? The correct one I don't want to explain lah. I want to explain the wrong one. Why is 4 wrong? Anyone can tell me. Which part is wrong? Bahagian mana dalam ayat tu salah? Sebab cukai pendapatan sebab kamu kata A kan, mengapa kamu terangkan ketiga? Cukai perkhidmatan, yes, betul Nabila. Tengok kat sini, salah guys, not service provider, is on consumer, pengguna. Okay, so that's why 4 tu salah. Okay, perkhidmatan tu pasti pada kita kan, for the consumer. So tengok perkataan kecil macam tu saja menyebabkan salah lah. So guys, this one I got one last question, calculation. This one quite interesting actually, so I want to share with you guys lah. Can you guys try and see? Last already. After this, habis. Just try to count this last one. Because this one got melibatkan penukaran mata wang also. So quite interesting this question. Yang lain tu semua biasa-biasa. Kamu boleh buat je. Guys, can you see Have you ever thought of this? Tengok betapa lemah mata wang kita. Look how weak is our money compared to US. RM1 24 sen guys US. Sangat teruk. 24 sen only. Wah, T1 so fast, huh? Others? Yang lain? Yeah, betul. Okay, this so no problem lah with you guys. This one also correct. Okay. So I basically just show the working. Okay, so local company, basically you have to take the shipping charge lah and count how much is the shipping charge pengantaran tu. Oh yeah, you correct. You are right. Actually, you calculate local, you know already. Okay, good. This is one of the technique for kertas satu. Kamu kena eliminate semua option yang lain. Yang salah pangkal terus, jangan lihat. Okay, so this one a bit interesting for knowledge. You can see lah. Yeah, right?
Can you please send this inside the group?
Yeah, sure. Everything I send the group.
Okay.
So this one you must convert first lah, USD to RM. Shipping charge also USD to RM. Additional charge you can direct put lah. Okay, so terus calculate, then you will get this value. Okay guys, so this how you get for the abroad company lah. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it lah for today. Itu saja. So I give you all a quote as always at the end. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. Okay, so hope you all take this quote lah. Walaupun especially now lah when you all doing trials time. So yeah, failure is the opportunity to begin more intelligently. Okay, bukan saja belajar secara keras tapi belajar secara pintar. Smart learning. Okay, not always work hard only, work smart. Okay, so then again, this my YouTube channel. I think now 1.11K already. So can share some more lah to more people untuk bantu mereka. Nak capai 100 video dah total. After this one, I got 99 videos already. So nanti satu lagi 100 video. 100. So how you guys find today? Can you understand text better or not? Are you all feeling better on this topic? Good lah, at least. Because I know this topic important one. So that's why I pull out to discuss with you guys lah. So yeah. I think this all lah for today. So thank you.